Welcome to the best picks. The best black car wax is probably one of the most crucial steps in maintaining that sleek, mirror-like finish we all crave. Black cars, with their deep, rich color, are stunning, but they're also notorious for showing every swirl mark, scratch, and imperfection. Today, we're diving deep into the world of car waxes, specifically tailored for black vehicles, to help you find the perfect product to keep your ride looking its absolute best. Number 5. Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. Tired of the hassle of traditional car washing? This product simplifies everything. It allows you to wash, shine, and protect your car in a single step, without any water or mess. It features an advanced ceramic coating. This creates a hydrophobic shield that effectively repels water, dirt, and grime, keeping your car cleaner for longer. Want a professional look? This product delivers a streak-free, mirror-like finish. It gives your car a high-gloss appearance without leaving any residue behind. Worried about damaging your car? Don't be. This product is safe for all surfaces, including paint, glass, plastic, and trim. It protects your car without causing any harm. Need a quick solution? This waterless formula is simple, effective, and saves you time. You can clean your car anywhere, anytime, making it incredibly convenient. What we like. This product is a true time saver, offering wash, shine, and protection in a single step. It creates a hydrophobic shield, repelling water and grime. If you're always on the go and need a quick, effective solution to keep your black car looking its best, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The shine and gloss was spectacular. If you follow the directions according written on the bottle, you will have a beautiful, smooth, lasting shine. Easy to apply, and the instructions were straightforward. It certainly sped things up, and I still got great results. No streaks, no gunk left behind, great shine. The glass was spotless. Zero streaks. Number 4. CR Guys Hybrid Spray Wax 18-ounce Kit. Are you tired of products that don't last? This spray wax produces a deep shine and gives lasting protection. It works at the molecular level for instant results. This product is super quick and easy to use, and it's safe to apply onto every surface on any vehicle. Never worry about white residue or streaks again. Use it on paint, plastic, glass, and everything else. Most products make your car look pretty good, but this brings the gloss and reflections up another level. The long-lasting formula leaves you with a head-turning shine. This product is produced with the latest advancements in science, using the best equipment available. This helps us make consistently high-quality products that always work great. It's mixed and bottled in the USA. The team cares about customer satisfaction. If you have any concerns, let us know, and a person from our team will do everything in their power to make it right. What we like. This wax provides long-lasting protection and a brilliant shine, making your car stand out. It is safe to use on any surface of your vehicle. If you are looking for a product that delivers both durability and a head-turning gloss, this is the one for you. What people say. This product is very easy to use. I spray the product onto the cloth and go around all the car. It not only acts like a wax, but it also protects from UV damage. Number 3. Chemical Guys Blazin Banana Spray Wax. Tired of the old way of waxing? This sprayable wax is here to revolutionize your car care routine. It delivers a brilliant shine and reflection in seconds. This product bonds and cures to the surface, offering robust defense against road debris. It also provides amazing water-beating properties. Applying this wax is incredibly simple. Just spray it on for even coverage and wipe it off immediately to reveal a glossy, slick finish. Get protection from pollutants and water spots. It leaves behind a premium, warm shine and a mirror-like reflection. Achieve a deep, wet shine in seconds. It offers the same protection as traditional paste waxes, but with unparalleled ease of use. What we like. This spray wax changes the way you wax, offering a quick and easy application. It bonds to the surface, providing durable protection against road debris. If you like a product that combines ease of use with all-season protection and a brilliant shine, you should consider this. What people say. Best auto spray wax I have ever used, goes on easy, buffs out with a simple microfiber cloth. Really great results. When using chemical dyes together with their other products, the results are simply awesome. Easy application with stunning results. Number 2. Chemical Dyes Black Light Hybrid Radiant Finish. This product is designed specifically for black and dark colored vehicles. It provides an unmatched deep, wet shine that will make your car stand out. It's the perfect way to give your car a stunning, eye-catching look. It utilizes hybrid glaze technology to enhance shine. This product fills minor imperfections and seals your car's paint in a single step. It simplifies the detailing process, saving you time and effort. You can achieve a sealed, glossy finish without using multiple products. This product streamlines your car care routine. It's a convenient solution for a professional-looking shine. Micro-refined oils in this product reduce the visibility of minor swirls and scratches. It helps to restore the smooth appearance of your car's paint. It's like a quick touch-up for your vehicle. Premium inhibitors block harmful solar rays. Protective agents shield your car from environmental damage. It helps to keep your car looking its best, protecting it from the elements. What we like. This product offers an unmatched deep wet shine, specifically designed for black and dark colored cars. It enhances shine and fills minor imperfections in one step. If you have a black car and want to achieve a flawless, glossy finish while masking imperfections, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It went on and wiped off smooth with no hassle, and I'm sure I could have got better results up top if I used a corded polisher, but I have clear coat peel, so it will not take care of everything obviously. But what paint is there is really brought out by this wax. Easy on and surprisingly easy to wipe off. This product created a near mirror finish. Number 1. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Acrylic Black Spray Wax. This spray wax is specially formulated for black car paint. It quickly fills swirl marks and light scratches, leaving behind a high gloss, deep black finish. It's the perfect solution to restore and protect your car's paint. Infused with black pigmented carnauba wax, this product enhances the depth of color. It easily sprays on, boosting the overall appearance of black or dark colored vehicles. You'll be amazed by the enhanced shine. The ceramic-infused formula provides long-lasting protection. It repels water and creates a barrier against road contaminants. This keeps your car cleaner for longer, reducing the need for frequent washes. Applying this wax is incredibly easy. Just spray 1 to 2 times per panel and spread evenly with a microfiber towel. For best results, let it cure for 24 hours before washing. It's that simple. This versatile product can be used on various surfaces. It works great on dark charcoal gray or dark blue finishes, black wheels, and exterior plastics. However, avoid using it on convertible soft tops or light-colored car paint. Enjoy the delightful tropical fruity fragrance while you work. The Hybrid Solutions collection offers a pleasant scent, making the detailing process even more enjoyable. It's a treat for your senses. What we like. This wax is specially formulated for black car paint, filling scratches and swirl marks for a high gloss finish. It enhances the depth of color, making your car look its best. If you like a product that restores and protects your black car's paint, while providing long-lasting protection, you should consider this. What people say. The formula is fantastic for filling in minor scratches and swirl marks, giving my car a glossy, sleek shine. The water repellency is excellent, and it makes the car easier to clean after rain. It adds a deep, glossy shine to my black car while filling in minor scratches and swirls. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.